Howdy folks, Tom Beverly here once again. So MinApe is where all the work is being done. The aim is to get something in core, probably the toolkit, into, you see, making it into Python doesn't make a lot of sense because there's a bunch of stuff in the toolkit which is related to JSON specifically. There's a bunch of other stuff though. And I think what's interesting me currently is just doing pattern matching to get, patterns repeating wherever possible. And there's a bunch of pointer and other manipulation here which doesn't necessarily translate as well to Python. So what I was thinking of doing was actually creating sample subscripts or sample just C programs which run on their own that can then be run through the converter that can then show the conversion and show the format accordingly. So rather than doing the toolkit specifically, because there's a bunch of additional stuff in the toolkit and it is in its own relatively unique format, start with something slightly simpler and get a slightly simpler output with that. So that is what I'm referring to as Sapphire, which you may have heard in previous videos. It's a way of just mapping existing C to something Python that's executable. Anyway, Tom Beverly in Las Vegas, Nevada, just a quick update here, just to give you my thinking. Signing out.